Hi guys, this is day 5 of being held hostage by G, and today she's finally letting me eat.
She's really good, so, you know.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, bye girl. See ya. We'll follow him.
Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Hello. Let me get a good bite. Little orange chicken. Oh, what did let's go. See ya.
Coming soon.
Ah! 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 Okay, come on. Yes. Oh, yummy. I love ramen. I love honey walnut shrimp. Shrimp. Get over here. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes. I'm so happy. So guys, the meaning of life is winning row, steer, and bow, and then eat. Oh. I think I'm gonna do paper.
You can do the same thing. Get back.
She's gonna do paper next time.
Damn, go clear the fire. I swear to fucking God, Sarah, I swear to fucking God.
I love Canada. But seriously, I'm gonna do rock.
There you what? This was wrong because I didn't win. I can't do it. Alright.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay. Oh, no, let's do that one. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
You trying to bring good?
Damn, do you ready? Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I love eating. It's my favorite, and I Dr. Rangoon.
No. I'm having skipping back, y'all.